Hi, my name is Daniel with ViewMedica. Before we launch the next version of ViewMedica, I want to show you a new feature in VM9. When you're making a presentation for on-demand or a waiting room TV loop for VMcast, you can easily create the slides in the new slide builder. The slide builder shows you many slide templates to choose from. You can promote your socials, list office hours, celebrate birthdays, or holidays with dozens of pre-made slides for you to use. This means no more going to Photoshop or PowerPoint to create these slides. But I want to show you how easy it is to create a text and image slide in VM9. Let's add a title at the top so that I can easily identify the slide. I change the runtime to dictate how long the slide will remain on the screen. I can drag and drop the image I want to use onto the slide. And I can crop if I need to. To edit the text, all I need to do is click on it and type. I can also edit the text style, size, and alignment here. I can change the text color and background color here. When I'm done, I just hit save and the slide will be added to the loop. This is just a preview of what's coming in VM9. We can't wait to share this and many more new features with you starting on January 8th, 2022.